In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your credits on Wolt, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to, of course, go into our Wolt app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Wolt app right here. And then what you're going to do after that is to select profile, as you can see. So go into profile, that should be in the bottom right corner. As you can see, as of right now, unfortunately, I don't have any credits as of right now. So you can click on your credits right here. And then as you can see, I don't have any credits right now. But if you want to be able to get credits, then what you're going to do is to invite friends. And if your friends joins and they actually do purchase something, as you can see, then you will be able to get a reward for that. So yeah, that's exactly how you can actually get credits on Wolt. Sometimes they do deposit credits to you as well, but that doesn't happen that often, just so you know. But when you do have credits, then what you're going to do is to just simply go into, for example, yeah, you can purchase like whatever you want on the Wolt app, of course. So you're just going to actually purchase something, but on the payment method section, you're going to choose pay with your credits instead of paying with your balance, or rather paying with your credits instead of paying with your credit card, for example. So that's basically exactly how to use credits on Wolt.